good. Yeah, I definitely recommend coming to Dr. Gupta, and the staff were very helpful.
This is Diego. 18 months ago, he had a hair transplant with us. I'm going to show he's 32 years old. He had a hair transplant. He was a Norwood 3/Norwood 4. You can see here he was a Norwood 3 pattern bordering onto Norwood 4 pattern with balding of the interior, one half of the scalp, 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp. And he returns to us 16 months later. You can see here the hairline in the front. Turn to your right. And turn the other way to you. Turn down a bit. And you can see it's a very good transition to the natural hair. And turning to the back, you can see there's very good regrowth, nice and uniform. Turn around. Diego, what do you think of the transplant in the front?
It's really good. Yeah, I definitely recommend coming to Dr. Gupta, and the staff were very helpful, very friendly, and made the procedure very, very easy.
And you came all the way from the West Coast, so we thank you for doing that, for choosing the clinic. How do you go with your friends and family?
You
have to speak up. What did they think of it, or?
Oh, no one really noticed, actually. Yeah, that's been the best bit.
In terms of your confidence level and all that?
Yeah, it's brought back like a number of years, and it's changed my lifestyle, so yeah, it's been amazing.
We want to thank you for coming back and showing us what progress you've made.